guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nayeli here, and today I'll be doing my July Boxycharm unboxing. You know what Boxycharm is? It's pretty much a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size products for the price of $21 a month. Usually retails over more than $100. So this is my July box, and let's get to it. Everything that I'm wearing on my face right now, I did use the box, which I will include a try-on version after I show everything. So here's what comes in the box. It's a card to get a flash facial at Ulta for I believe $10, which I think is pretty cool. There's a theme every month, and for this month it was All Natural by Boxycharm. First item that I received in the box, it's the Element Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, which I did try it on. I left it in my face for 10 minutes, which is what the instructions said. Felt very good, felt kind of like minty, very refreshing after I took it off. I almost didn't want to wear makeup, but yeah. And Elemis is a pretty good brand. This retails for $35. Next item that I received is the Luxie Gaia brush set, which comes with 3 brushes. The foundation brush, which is a number 510, and I used it to apply my mask. It was a little bit too dense, to be honest. I have another one for my mask that I use that's a little bit thinner, but this one was pretty good. And by the way, the packaging is beautiful on these brushes. I believe they're made from recycled material, which is pretty good. The other brush is the Luxie 250, the large eye blending brush, which I used on my crease today with the eyeshadow palette that came in here. It was very soft. I know for some people this might be too big for their eyes, but it actually worked out for me. It blended super nicely and it fit really good, so I really enjoyed the brush. The other brush that came in the box is the Luxie 246 Precision Crease, and I actually use this for my inner corner. I like to apply my eyeshadows with the finger, so I usually use these for the inner corner or to like do like a cut crease. Yeah, it's a pretty cute brush. This brush set I believe is new and it retails for $30. Next product that came in my box is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, which, oh my god, the packaging is beautiful. This is probably like the best packaging I have as far as a palette goes. It's so beautiful. It has this like faux like wood. It does retail for $32, and these are the shades. I used this one for my crease, which if you go very light-handed, you know, it does blend pretty well. It doesn't turn out as dark. And I used this one for my eyelid, which I did apply with my finger. I did spray it with some rose spray, that way it could adhere better to the eye. And then I used this one for my inner crease right here. I really enjoy this palette. I also believe this was an exclusive palette just for Boxycharm. So yeah, I'm very excited about this. Next product that I received is the Appeal Gel Liner in Deep Taupe. I'm not very excited when it comes to eyeliners just because I don't use them, but I saw that mine was going to be brown. So I decided to give it a try, but still, I just feel like eyeliner just makes my eyes look a lot smaller, and I don't really like the look of it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'll probably ask my mom if she wants it. And it also wasn't very easy to glide on, and this retails for $21, which is hard to believe. I would never ever pay $21 for this. Next product I received is the Alamar lip gloss Mother of Pearl gloss, which I did line my lips with kind of like a baby nude pink, and then I applied this lip gloss. It's not sticky at all, and it's a really pretty color. I did swatch it here. It's kind of like a peach gold color. I really like the brand Alamar Cosmetics. So, and the packaging is also very like beautiful. It's like turquoise and it has like sparklies all around it. I wanted to mention that in my box I did receive variation number 2, and the total came out to $128. As far as my favorite products that I got in the box is definitely the Butter London eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging, I love the colors, and it blends very well. The blending brush from Luxie, it's definitely something that I needed. It's very good, blends really easily, and it's very soft. And also the Alamar gloss. Well, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was my July Boxycharm. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye.